Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is a blues clip. In fact, it's our third one. So hopefully you already know how to do left, right, forwards, middle and back, and you've learned a couple of lunges. Obviously you can do lunges any way you like. This time we're going to specifically do a timing change and a turn. So we'll show you it first. So when you're in close, you're going slow and slow and slow, and all we're going to do is add a quick, slow, back to basic. So, simply put, we're turning to the fella's right, we're stepping forwards with the left, back with the right, and we're going twice the speed. So if we just do the guys for a second, feet underneath your shoulders, so you're going slow to the left, slow to the right, slow to the left, slow to the right. Now when we go fast, we're going to go forwards with the left, turning to the right, back with the right, turning to the right, forwards with the left, turning to the right, back with the right, turning to the right, and then a significant step, slightly bigger than usual, over to the left to go slow, to bring the pace back down, and then we're just back into normal left and right. So let's try that to time. It goes, we'll do 4 slows before we go 4 quicks. So we go slow, 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 quick, slow, slow. Right, let's try it with the partner. So we move on in, get into position, around with the right arm, share the balance, and then we're ready to go. We're just going to go 4 slows, 4 quicks, and a couple more slows to make sure we've got it. So we go slow, 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 get ready, turn, 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 slow, slow, slow. That was brilliant. One final tip. You really are kind of having a bit of a cuddle here, which means if you are one of you taller than the other, whoever's taller, you're going to be resting your cheek probably against the back of your partner's head. Whoever's shorter, they're actually going to have a little bit of a nap on the shoulder or on the chest of their partner. So you end up really in a kind of little cuddle while you're dancing. People have been known to be very close to going to sleep late at night when they've been doing blues. So if you achieve that, fantastic. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with blues clip number 4. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you enjoyed learning some UK blues. Here are some recommendations for music and videos related to it. If you've enjoyed what we're doing, why not subscribe? Hit the notification bell, and that way you'll know every time a new video comes out.